But no, but yeah, they do live better. Um, it's about like getting these logical connections made, and it's really good. And I feel so glad I landed here because like the descendant, like so now it's just an old folks home, um, but their descendants are so like quick to pick up on really far out stuff, and it's beautiful. And I'm really glad I'm from Alma. So yeah, everybody come to Alma. And I mean, like spiritual people or whatever. I'm like, yeah, let's do this major skill thing, whatever.